Today we are going to be looking at the new cruise collection 2022 from Chanel. You guys, these are the bags that we've been waiting for, and they are finally here. The designs are daring, but they also have a youthful approach, but still relatable. You know, think about like traditional Chanel codes of black and white tweed, interlaced leather and chains, pearls combined with like sequins and embroideries, and it really just reveals a collection that is both classic and modern. It's like with that twist of punk. Look at this embroidered dress, so beautiful. And inside, it's not see-through because inside it has like it's like silky inside. So this is the white one, and they also have it in black. It's like cotton. It's so pretty. And look at this bag. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is really cute together. And this is the same dress but in black. I mean, it's a little bit different than the other one. I loved these terry bags. These are beach bags, and they come with a towel inside, which is like so cute. This 2022 collection is getting inspired in the Provence in the south of France, and I loved how the entire collection has such a look that is like a modern pop punk of the 60s with a fusion of some of the late 90s. This tweed jacket was honestly one of my favorites, even though Gabby didn't like it that much. It's $28,000, if I am not mistaken, and it was beautiful. It was just full of pins, and I can imagine this with a pair of jeans. Must look really cool. I loved that in this collection, everything is about pastels. There are so many pinks with ribbon details. You have crochet in the espadrilles and baby pink. You have pink bags that are iridescent. I love this little belt bag because it's like in a mint green, and how cute does this look? And it has a little snap where you can snap off the little baggie from it if you just want to use it as like a tiny purse. Seriously, I love this. Then you have more small mini bags in the lambskin with this beautiful pink powder color. And can we please talk about this small lilac bag with this chain detail around it? It's a mini bag. It's so feminine and so cute, but still so punk and edgy. This right here is a collector's case that has the mini version of all the iconic bags. And now let's move into the shoes. You're gonna see a lot of sandals in black, white, beiges, black and white. Just a very, very comfortable with terry material and just the classic Chanel padding and rope around it. It's just so beautiful the way that they have been able to bring the sea into this collection. Here you have the iconic boot of this season. You see the espadrilles in black and white with the embroidery and the signature Chanel logo. I honestly love how this looks in pink. It's so pretty. It's just a very classy and very girly shoe. Then obviously you have golds, you have baby blues, navy blues, just very maritime, very nautical. You can also get the espadrilles in baby blue terry, which are beautiful, and in the pink terry with beige. You have the sneakers also in very vibrant and pastel colors, which is super nice. This was overall one of the largest collections I've seen of Chanel cruise collections. It's not really like that when you go to other stores in the United States, but the Miami store, it's really nice. Gabby and I are looking for some dresses now for the holidays. So we took a little detour into the fitting room and she saw this Alaya dress that she is obsessed with because she loves Alaya, and it looks so beautiful and girly on her, the shape. I really love this designer. I also ran into this Valentino dress which I had seen in Net-a-Porter, and I was like, I need to try this on. Totally my vibe with the big collar. It's so comfortable, it's short, and I just really wanted to try it on. Look at this. Wow. I want to show you something. Like inside it has a slit, and then here it just has these details. I saw this in Net-a-Porter and I was like, wow, so pretty. I love it. Okay, this one from Alaya, it's beautiful. I feel like that emoji from, you know, the iPhone, the girl that's dancing. I really liked the Valentino one, but I feel like it was just not very flattering. This is totally giving me St. Bart's vibes. Teeny-nee-nee. I mean, still on the chunky side, but super cute. Super cute. I even like wearing it like this with the herringbones. I'm like really digging the herringbones lately. Really loving it. Look at that. Because it's nice and simple, but it still gives it light. And I like stacking them. Like I like putting a yellow one and a white one together. Look at this. Wow. It's like, it has these like ruffles. And I like that it's a skirt and a top, so I could wear the skirt with a white crisp shirt, or I can wear the top with black long pants, and it looks so cute. Okay, so this top is from the Attico that Gabby's wearing, and it's red. That red looks stunning on you. Are you gonna take that? That looks beautiful.
Yeah, definitely. This is so cool.
Turn around. Oh wow, how are you gonna wear that with what? Okay, now all the tags are out. Whatever, you're gonna take it anyway, but this is 560. Dude, it's gorgeous. Okay, turn around. How are you planning to wear that? It's so nice, and red really suits you. I'm really liking it. Hi. Hello. I love this one. I don't know. I think that will look, it looks super cute with shorts, but it will look amazing with like black pants. Guess who is here that came to visit me a couple of days ago? Gabby! You guys remember Gabby from London? Of course you guys remember Gabby. I finally got Gabby here. I want to see what they have merchandise and brought to the store in Miami, because it's completely different than what you see in London or what you see in Europe. So aside from that, it's a beautiful day, and I'm just really happy to share this day with Gabby. We're also going to be looking for new outfits because we are going to be flying. This is not sure, but we might be going somewhere really cool for New Year's, and there's a lot of activities going on in Miami right now, and I need like beautiful, classy, black, and timeless dresses, let's just say. So yeah, today's gonna be a shopping day. You're gonna come with us doing some luxury shopping, and we are going to show you around what it looks like in Miami right now. It's warm, it's beautiful, the weather is lovely. I know that it's very cold in a lot of places in the United States right now and in Europe, but right here is 82 degrees, and it's really nice. I hope that we can share some of this holidays leading up to Christmas with you guys, and that you guys really enjoy it.